pages online. This is a special edition called Tuesday's Tips. Every Tuesday we're going to post a new tip on how to use our special sponge painting system. These are designed specifically to give you additional information as you continue your growth in our program. Let's get a start and take a look at today's tip. Oh, this is silly, isn't it? You caught me in my bathrobe. Oh, what a horrible circumstance. I wore my glasses. Who wears their glasses when they use one of these things in the bathroom? It's pretty silly, but I gotta tell you, this is Tuesday's tip. This is a wonderful, wonderful device that you would never think as being part of your kit as an artist, and yet it works wonders to be able to have one of these. Let's show you what we're talking about. So what we're talking about is basically a hair dryer. This hair dryer is a wonderful thing. You've probably heard me say in many of our classes, make sure that your painting is completely dry before you go to the next step. What you don't see in the videos that we make is me using the hair dryer in order to be able to dry the surface before we go to the next step. It is a wonderful thing that you can have as part of your kit so that you can work fairly quickly. And this is also a seasonal thing. That's why watercolor is really considered a seasonal artist program for the summer, because in the summer the paint dries quick. But in the winter, this is a great thing to have because it can dry out your painting very quickly so you don't have to wait. One of the other things that's great about this particular kind of a tool for your kit, we'll show you another trick. If you happen to be utilizing a very wet surface, and this works both as something to be aware of and as a potential to have some fun, is this. There's a disaster. If your painting is really super wet, you obviously don't want to do that. You have to either put the thing on low so that you don't make that kind of a mess. But if you're looking to make a mess, it could add some extra techniques to your different paintings. At any rate, Tuesday's tip is all about the hair dryer. We hope that you utilize it in your kit in the proper way, not to make a mess, but to help you with your program. We hope that you have enjoyed this little video and that this tip was helpful for you. For more of Tuesday's Tips, check out our website under the free classes for Tuesday's Tips. If you want, also check out the full video, which is all about learning how to paint with our sponge system, which is the free video on our website, The #1 Painting. And we look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.